Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. Today's video is the collab with the group Keeping It Real Fun. And our theme is November 11th is National Sundae Day, like Sunday, the ice cream type. And also November 2nd is Candy Day. So we can pick if we want to do an ice cream theme makeup look or a candy theme makeup look. So I picked to do the ice cream sundae look. My hat is a little heavy today because we're missing one of our members. So I'm going to try and make this video as light as possible because I am heavy today. So I will pick the ice cream. I pick to do the National Sundae ice cream sundae look. And at the end of my video, please watch all the way to the end. I am going to put a picture of one of our members who are no longer with us. It's kind of hard to talk about. It really hurts. I'm going to use the Danessa Myricks Balm. I picked to do an ice cream sundae. I'm putting this yellow down in my crease and all the way up to the brow bone. Please remember to watch this video all the way to the end because at the end there's a tribute to one of our COLLAB member, friend, a YouTube family member, and a YouTube friend. Because when we make friends here on YouTube, they become family. So I'll have a little tribute to that person. It was a surprise to find out that this is what happened. So I ask you all to keep her family in prayer to help them along this journey. Today's encouraging word is the thoughts I choose to believe right now are forming my experiences. The thoughts I choose to believe right now are forming my experiences. What is my I am for today? My I am for today is I am grateful and appreciative of the people who are in my life. What is your I am? This yellow color is for the mango sorbet or sherbet, however you pronounce it. That's what that yellow is for. This is my look for the ice cream sundae. I did a sherbet. The yellow is the mango and the greenish teal color is the mint sherbet. And on the side, I created an ice cream cone with sprinkles. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Life is short. Please remember to take a little bit of time just for yourself. And now, this little tribute is for Faye. Faye, you will be missed in the YouTube family and friends group. I pray that your family will get lots of support from other people around them to help lift them up during their time of grief. I pray for your children that they will find the strength to grieve the correct way and to navigate this world, knowing that you're not there in the human flesh, but you will be there in the spirit and the memories that you left them. I pray that everything will be okay for them. You will surely be missed, Faye. You will. And it's heartbreaking. When you make a friend on YouTube, they become family and friends. When they are no longer with us, it gets painful. But with each other, help and support, we will stay strong and we will remember those who have gone while we still cherish those who are here. On the wings of a snow white dove, God sent his pure sweet love. Faye, my friend, rest in peace. Never ever give up on yourself. Always keep rising. Know that you are important and life goes by fast. Find some time for you.